You have been doing this wrong your whole life. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Many people believe that cracking your knuckles is harmful and can lead to arthritis. But science says otherwise. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually creating tiny bubbles in the joint fluid, and the popping sound comes from those bubbles bursting, not from bones grinding or damage being done. According to multiple studies, including a 60-year self-experiment by Dr. Donald Unger, who cracked knuckles of one hand daily and not the other, there's no evidence that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. So the next time someone says, "Don't do that, you'll get arthritis," you can say, "Science disagrees." Subscribe for more myths busted and cool facts.